Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Manganis. As you can see, at kasama ko ang aking mga kagrupo.
I am Renzel. I am Donna. Aryan.
At si Glyza na dadagasin. At
Pupunta kami sa Howlers!
aka Supang.
So ngayon ay bumibili kami ng mga foods na gagamitin namin. Ay, kakainin namin.
Guys, ang ibilis ka ng fruits. Ikit lang ngayon. Dress kit ko na ako. Pang lunch na guys. So, balik na ulit kami. Sa kotse.
So as you can see, nandito pa rin kami. Naggasolina lang yung car. Hi! Hi! So nadagos na namin si Glyza.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kinda funny, her hair is kinda wild and free. Oh, for the love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. She talks kinda lazy,
So guys, nandito na kami.
and her life's a mystery. Oh, for love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me.
So yun guys, kararating lang namin. And let's go! So what's up guys? So nandito na kami sa aming location at kami ay magbabayad ng cottage,
Paldo.
jet ski, ganon.
Palo.
So samahan nyo kami. Let's go! So guys, sila ay magpapaluto ng food kasi wala kaming dilalang banga. And si Ashton, yan. Let's go guys! So ayun, sila yung nagpaluto na ng aming food kasi hindi kami naka-prepare. You know. Oo. Punta ako sa cottage.
A few moments later.
So guys, it's lunch time and kakain na kami. As you can see.
Yes, let's go eat! So, ang ulam natin for today is tana! Adobo! Meatloaf!
Yes! Corned beef.
Corned
Ayan,
beef!
corned beef.
And may dessert tayong bacon!
That's all. Let's eat guys.
Guys.
Eat well.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kinda funny, her hair is kinda wild and free. Oh, for love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. She talks kinda lazy, and people say she's crazy, and her life's a mystery.
2,000 years later.
What's up guys? So katatapos lang namin maglangoy and it's already 5 p.m. and for today naliligo na kami and 3, 2, 1! So yun na guys, uuwi na kami and let's go! Let's go guys! Hoy, slow tayo po! Bigyan kami ng loyalty card. Nasa inyo lang. Sige, sige. Thank you, Manang. Yan. Ay, tingnan ito. Ay, may free siya, guys. Yan. So, binigyan kami ng order ng loyalty card. Yan. Uwi na kami. Loyalty card. Ay! Kurang na, kurang gabi. Tig, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Ay, shit.
So guys, pauwi na kami guys.
So yun guys, pauwi na kami. Just visit Spring Pool Resort. Hanggang kasken.